Okay, so we're looking now at some simple events, single events. So it's only one thing that really happens. We don't have things happening after another thing. So let's just look at the straightforward definition. So the probability of something occurring is the number of times that the event can occur divided by how many different outcomes is possible. Okay, so that's the definition. Sometimes the total number of outcomes can be listed as what's called a sample space. We call that capital S, and we enclose that in curly brackets. So we're using set notation. So curly brackets just look like this. Okay, so for instance, if we're looking at the sample space of being a child, the sample space is you're either a boy or a girl. So probably, the event. So the sample space of being a child is just being a boy or girl, not the probability of a child. Okay, so let's look at some examples. Ben rolls a die, so that's a single die, so just one die. Okay, and to win he needs to roll a number that's greater than 4. So list the total sample space. Which elements of the sample space are the winning ones, and what's the probability, or what's the chance that Ben wins? Okay, so pause and have a go, and then come back when you're ready. Okay, so A, sample space. The numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's the sample space. B, the winning numbers were greater than 4. So 5 and 6 are the winning numbers. And the probability of getting a 5 or a 6. There are 2 numbers that are winners out of 6. So that is a 1/3 chance of winning. So probability of 5 or 6, there are 2 of them, and there are 6 possible numbers, so the answer is a third. Okay, so that's pretty straightforward. Okay, so now the next one, the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 are written on individual cards, and then they're arranged to form a 3-digit number, not a 4-digit number. Find the probability that the number is odd, find the probability that is greater than 200, find the probability that's greater than 500. So think about that, and when you're ready, come back. Okay, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. So they're the numbers being written on the card. So the probability that the number is odd, well, there are 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 numbers, so that's on the bottom. 2 of them are odd, so it's 2 chances out of 4. So the chance of being an odd is a half. What's the chance of it being greater than? The number's greater than 200. So thinking about a 3-digit number, so this number here defines how big the number is. So 200, 300, 400 in that first box will be, so there's still 4 numbers, and any one of the first 2, 3 or 4 will give us a number bigger than 200. Excuse me. And the last one, probability of being a number, the number is greater than 500. There is no number, 1, 2, 3, 4, there's no number that we can put there, so there is no chance out of 4, which is 0. Okay, so once you have a go at exercise 11B on page 471, just pick a variety of questions. You don't have to do all of them, but need to be able to do the range in that set. Okay, thanks.